Hi there. Hi, welcome to putting a backhoe back on a tractor with eager Gridless beaver. Yeah, we just finished it off actually. It's my favorite part of a job when we're done. But it went very smoothly. There's something to be said for doing something repetitive a number of times, I guess. Well, I guess so repetitive anyway. A number of times so that you know what you're doing, because experience does trump enthusiasm sometime. And one thing I did learn from previous occasions, slow and steady wins the race. Anyway, thanks for sticking around. Have a good night. Enjoy your backhoe and tractor, like my Massey Ferguson 2605, which I love, and a CB20 backhoe attachment. So yeah, stick around if you want to watch some more of that too. Take care. Okay, so the backhoe portion of the tractor is now unwrapped. The first couple things that we're going to do here is clean up our connection points. You know, this has been sitting, not used for a couple years now, so I want to make sure that the join is as good as it can be. It's a quick connect. I've had to change them out before, so that wouldn't be the end of the world, but just tidying them up before we make the attempts makes things easier. Okay, so we have all of the hydraulics hooked up for the backhoe. This is going to be a little bit of a slow-going process where I'll probably have to turn off the tractor a couple times during the process, because the backhoe has to tilt at a certain angle to get underneath properly, and then I got to sort of raise it. I've done it 3 or 4 times, but it's still something that takes a little doing and patience, so bear with me. And I just forgot a very important piece. This is a custom job for the whole attachment, but I need this piece to protect it. Okay, we'll get this on. This just guards the area, so when you're doing this process you don't shear something off you're not supposed to, which I'm sure would be very easy. But I've always had it in place, so I'm just going to tighten it up, start her up, and get this thing level so I can back it up, the tractor, into these hooks. So you can get a good idea from what's going to be happening here. This is the sort of area that's going to be sitting up here. So that's going to go higher, but I needed to make sure I had this in place before I started because I don't want to have any trouble. Cool, that went better than I thought it was going to go. Besides forgetting that one little piece, the rest of it is actually in my brain, so I think I can do it pretty fast. It's really about getting the tractor set up initially. So yeah, that's really it. We're on to clearing some more land so that we can have more room to grow more things for a food forest and create more space of our own. It's going to be a long process, so stick around over the next couple weeks. There's going to be a bunch of videos about pulling out stumps and how we do it. So thanks for sticking around. Take care.